In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to make me, all with the free version of ChatGPT.
Okay, I am super excited to share this amazing free information for you because not a lot of people talk about this amazing tool which is free to us. So you can see down here, I'm just using my singing account just to show you this is a free account. And with ChatGPT, it can do so much, okay? Now, the whole purpose of this tutorial is to teach you how to use ChatGPT, the GPTs, to create realistic avatars, realistic twins, so that you can start generating and creating content for free using ChatGPT. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT's GPTs, then I'm going to give you a little overview here of what the GPTs are. So basically, these are like specialist tools within ChatGPT. For example, if you're a fiction book writer like I am, perhaps there's some writing tools that you can use that can help you to generate fiction books with the GPTs that are created specifically for crafting your fiction books, okay? So you've got a novel writer, which helps you to write full length, coherent, dynamic fiction book novels, etc. What we're going to be using this for today, however, is for your generation of creating images of your realistic AI avatars. Now, in the GPTs, and you can use either the desktop version or the mobile app version, you can see both the new chats and GPTs within your mobile app as well as desktop. What we're going to be looking at today is creating realistic avatars, okay? So we want to do a search for realistic images, okay? So type in the search box, realistic images, hit enter, and the top result you get here is the one I want you to click on today. I mean, you can play around with these and try all the other tools in there as well, or the other GPTs, but this is the one I'm going to show you today. So let's load that up and start a chat. So you may have already an AI avatar in mind, or maybe a celebrity, or someone that you want to create as your AI avatar image. But you can, for example, take inspiration from the likes of Pinterest. So we're going to use this model, which I prepared ready for our little tutorial today, just because I don't want to waste time in scrolling through endless amounts of beautiful models. So I've just got one ready. So you can see here, she's front facing, her hands are showing, she's in quite a boring suit, but it is an AI modified image as well, but we can use this image now to generate our prompt for our AI avatar. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag and drop her image into there. And I'm going to ask GPT to create a prompt to describe the woman in this image. Okay, so we're just going to start basic, okay? Absolutely basic. So what this is going to do now is generate a prompt that's going to describe the woman in this image. Now, the great thing is with AI is you will never have the same image generated twice with the same prompt, okay? It'll always give you something different. And you can test that if you want to, but for today, we're just going to create our prompt. And we are going to pop the prompt in here. And we are going to ask ChatGPT to create an analog candid photo of a confident young woman with soft voluminous waves, blah, blah, blah. And it just describes the image. So we're going to hit OK. And while we're waiting for that to generate, I will pause the video and come back to you once it's done. Okay, and here she is. So she is the prompt version that ChatGPT has created off the back of that prompt that described this woman here. So it's great to see that she looks similar, but she is also different enough that you're not stealing her identity. So we can do all sorts of things with this image now. What I want to do is change her eye colour because I don't want her to have brown eyes. So I want to say, love this image, so that chat knows that we love it. Love this image. Change the woman's eye colour to a bright sparkly blue, and change her hair length to collarbone length, and keep the rest of the image the same. Okay, let's generate another image, and while that's generating, will be a few minutes, I'll just pause the video. Okay, and here's our amended version of our woman in the image. Now, if you want to use this for business presentation, then that's perfect, but we don't want to use this as a business presentation. We want to create some nice, pretty content. So we're going to keep now the prompt to maintain the face and hair for this woman and place her in a coffee bar wearing a summer dress, cream in colour with pretty pink flowers. Flowers. And let's see what we get. Okay, so here she is. She's in her cream dress with her pink flowers. She's in a coffee bar and she looks exactly the same. So we've got the same face with a new dress in a coffee bar. Lovely. So we are going to do the same again now. I'm just going to grab the maintain the face and hair for this woman and place her, and we're going to change where she is this time. Okay, let's try again on that. So we're going to maintain the face and hair for this woman in the image and place her in a cocktail bar holding a glass of fizzy champagne, smiling warmly to the camera. And she is wearing a gorgeous long red cocktail dress. Okay, and let's see what we get for this. Oh, and here she is. How lovely is that? You see how easy it is to use ChatGPT, and this is all in the free version of ChatGPT. So we've taken this image of a lady on Pinterest. We've created the prompt. Then we've generated this new image. We've changed her hair length and her eye colour. We've created her in a different outfit, in a different place. And now we've created a lovely smiley version of her in a beautiful cocktail dress holding a fizzy glass of champagne. And look, her fingers are perfect. It's just lovely. So that is just your basic tutorial and what you can do with ChatGPT using GPTs to create your AI avatar image for free, changing hair color, eye color, clothes, settings, etc. So I hope you have fun with this. Share your AI avatars as well within the comments. Share your Instagram, TikTok handles so that we can see your beautiful images as well. I'd love to see them. So have some fun, and yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial.